So hi everyone, in this video we will go through the overview of DOM manipulation. So what is DOM? DOM represents the structure of a web page as a tree of nodes where each node represents an element, attribute or text. Okay, so what is our web page? It is basically a tree of nodes where each node represents an element, attribute or text. There are some basic concepts of DOM manipulation. One is selecting elements, other one is manipulating elements, creating and removing elements, and last one is event handling. Okay, so coming to selecting elements, so before manipulating the elements we need to select them, and here are the common methods for selecting the DOM elements. First one is we can select the DOM elements using document.getElementById. What it will do, it will select an element by its ID. And second one is document.getElementByClassName. So it selects all the elements with a specific class. Third one is document.getElementsByTagName. Okay, so it selects all the elements with a specific tag name like p tag, div tag. Okay, next is document.querySelector. It selects the first element matching a CSS selector. Okay, and other one is document.querySelector all. So what it will do, it selects all the elements matching a CSS selector. So guys, all these methods we will discuss with examples in the upcoming videos. This video is only for overview. Okay, so we have covered selecting the elements, and second one is manipulating the elements. So once you select the element, you can manipulate it by modifying its content, styles or attributes. Okay, so changing the content, we can use textContent, innerHTML. So textContent, what will it do? It changes the text inside an element, and innerHTML, it changes the HTML content inside the element. Changing style, it can modify the style of an element using the style property. And changing the attributes, we can change the attributes like src for images or href for links. Okay, and third one is creating and removing elements. So we can also create new HTML elements using JavaScript and add them to the DOM. So to create a new element, we can use document.createElement, and to add a new element to the DOM, we can use append child. We can also remove the elements from the DOM using remove and remove child methods. So remove child method, it removes a child element from a parent element, and remove method, it removes the element from the DOM. Okay, and last one is event handling. It responds to the user actions like clicks, key presses, mouse movements, etc. And common types of events are mouse events, keyboard events, form events, window events. Mouse events includes click, double click, mouse down, mouse up, mouse move, mouse over, mouse out, mouse enter, mouse leave. Keyboard events are key down, key up, key press. Form events includes submit, change, focus, blur, input, reset, select. And window events includes load, resize, scroll. So all this we will discuss one by one in the upcoming videos. So guys, this is the overview of DOM manipulation. And I will be sharing a link to my GitHub repository in the video description, so you can check it out and grab the code from there.